to tell you how we ended up camping here. It's not planned actually. I mean, it's planned to camp, but not at this campground. We were supposed to camp at South Campground, but unfortunately the bookings were full and there is no site, is empty. We went to dinner, I don't remember the place, and I asked the waitress about this. I explained my situation that I couldn't find a place to camp. We got the tents and everything, but we don't know where to camp. So she helped me a lot. I don't remember her name, but she's very grateful. She suggested the campground. This is called BLM campground. Anybody can camp here. It's free land, so you need not to pay for that. You just follow some guidelines, that's it. See that more than 30 people are camping here. There are some RVs parked over there and it's surrounded by hills. We came and crashed last night. Last night it's amazing. We slept under the stars. By the way, I forgot to tell, I came with my roommate. His name is Money. Yep. Yeah, he's Mr. Money. And these are our tents. We parked our car there and we put up a tent. That's an instant tent. You don't need to work too much on that. You just open it up like an umbrella and it pops out. We are packing up our tent. I always prefer Subway while traveling because it's light food. Done with the amazing view of Horseshoe Bend. Here we are at Lake Powell. The wind is... Woo. Yeah, I got a better idea. Yes, a view of Horseshoe Bend. It was really amazing, guys. No camera in the world can make the justice. You have to go there personally to see that, majestic look of the Horseshoe Bend. It's really good. Whatever you see in the camera, that's not the thing over there. It's totally different. pushing me back. Too much chill. Hey, you got it. Oh my god. The best thing I purchased for this trip is the solar power bank. You don't need to charge it, literally. It charges itself by taking just sunlight, and it can charge my GoPro batteries, my Sony A7S II batteries, and my phone. You don't literally need the sun, you just need some light, that's it. It's charging here by itself, and it's charging the GoPro battery and my phone. People are bringing their RVs, their trucks, and stopping by the lake, playing some games, and they're playing till midnight after the dinner. This is so dreamy. And there are so many tents. It's fully dark. And one more beautiful thing about the camping is the campfire. I got some neighbors beside my tent, and they're doing the campfire. perfect view to wake up. It's so beautiful. Finally, it's time to say goodbye to the Lone Rock. It was an amazing experience. This was my first camping. It'll definitely be memorable. Our flight is at 2 o'clock, so we need to go.